Dear viewers, welcome to our smart home fashion channel. In today's video we are going to present here different types of best cold brew coffee makers design ideas. The cold brew coffee maker simplifies the cold brew process with its unique features. The brew maker ensures water is distributed evenly over coffee grounds. The brew-release switch is easily accessible and allows you to stop and start the draining process. And the stainless steel ultrafine mesh filter is removable for easy cleaning. The coffee maker has all the hard work covered. All you have to do is add coffee grounds and water. Once you make the concentrate, you can add ice and water for iced coffee or hot water or milk for hot coffee. Cold brew coffee brewer. If you want to reduce the natural acidity from your coffee, Filtron's cold brew coffee brewer is the system for you. It is ideal for people with sensitive stomachs. The best part of the system is the great coffee. It's perfect for hot coffee, iced coffee and blended coffee drinks. It is also a great alternative to the common hot brew process. No need to brew a whole pot of coffee or wait for it to finish brewing. Pour the desired amount of coffee concentrate into a cup, add ice and cream for a delicious iced coffee or coffee concentrate and hot water for that warm smooth cup of coffee. Being able to pour one cup at a time or for the whole family. Different types of best cold brew coffee makers designs are given in this video for your collection ideas. Please watch till the end of this video and subscribe our channel for more interesting contents. Thank you. Good day.